So over here you can see that I got these blocks right here, and these blocks have a certain type to them. But let's say what I want to do is I actually want to change the block type. In that case, you can go ahead and let's say, for example, click on this right here, click on the 6-dot button, and here you can see that turn into is an option. So right now this is a list block. As you can see, I can go ahead and change it out into a code block. Simply, if I want to change it out, I can go to turn into right here and then choose, let's say, 2-column block right here. You can go ahead right here, turn into page in block right here, and so forth. So let's say, for example, I can go ahead, go to page in, and then go to a certain block right here, just like this. So this is inside of the page. So this is what you have, as you can see. So you can simply go ahead and select out the 6-dot button, turn into, and then select out the type of block that you want to add, and then it gets converted accordingly. So that is how you can go ahead and change out the block type inside of Notion. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.